Hola, boys and girls. I just wanted to go over some of this vocabulary with you and give you a chance to practice listening to it and then also trying to say it so you become a little bit more familiar with it. So take a look at your vocabulary list and just follow along with me. We're going to start with hola, which we all know. So repeat after me. Hola, hola. We know that hola means hello. Next is buenos dias. Buenos dias. We know that buenos dias means good morning. Next, please repeat after me. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes means good afternoon. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Buenas noches means good evening or good night. The next one, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué tal means how's it going? The next one you're very familiar with. ¿Cómo estás? Repeat after me. ¿Cómo estás? And that means how are you when you're talking to someone informally, like a classmate or a friend, anyone you call by their first name. If you're speaking to a teacher or a parent or someone you're a little bit more familiar with, you would say, ¿Cómo está usted? ¿Cómo está usted? Give it a try. You guys already know estoy bien. Estoy bien means I'm fine. ¿Y tú? ¿Y tú? Means and you. ¿Y usted? ¿Y usted? Also means and you. Again, the difference is whether or not you're talking to a friend or an adult. Next, we have what's your name? And I want you to repeat after me. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? That's when you're speaking to someone your age. If you're asking an adult, you would say, ¿Cómo se llama usted? ¿Cómo se llama usted? If you want to tell someone your name, you start with me llamo. Go ahead and try it. Me llamo. And then you would just say your name after that. Next, if you want to tell someone it's nice to meet you, that's mucho gusto. Give it a try. Mucho gusto. Another polite thing to say when you first meet someone is the pleasure is mine, and that's el gusto es mío. El gusto es mío. When you first meet someone, another question you might ask them is where they're from. So when it's someone your age, you would say, ¿De dónde eres? ¿De dónde eres? Because sometimes you meet someone speaking a different language and you want to know what country they're from. So that's why that's a popular greeting when you're meeting someone speaking a different language. If you're asking an adult, it would be, ¿De dónde es usted? ¿De dónde es usted? And when you're telling someone where you're from, you would say, soy de. Many of us, like from the United States, we would say, soy de los Estados Unidos, which is how we say the United States in Spanish. If you were from Mexico, you would say, soy de Mexico or soy de Uruguay. So that's when you're telling someone where you're from. A couple ways to say goodbye. The first, adios. Adios. Repeat after me. Ciao. Ciao. If you want to say we'll see each other, nos vemos. Nos vemos. See you later is hasta luego. Give it a try. Hasta luego. See you soon is hasta pronto. Hasta pronto. And last but not least, see you tomorrow. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. Be sure to keep this vocabulary list in your Spanish folder so you have it as a reference as we work on the these greetings and goodbyes, different ways in Spanish that we can say hello, or when we first meet someone to ask them some questions, or ways to say goodbye. Hasta luego.